Okay, guys, today in the short session, we'll see how to count the number of records. When the number of records go for 1000, 2000, it becomes very difficult to count them. So, if you always want to keep the records number with you, this is how you can do it. So, I have created a column here where I have written total records. Now, like in the previous session, we have seen for any calculation or formulae in Microsoft Excel, you start with equal, and then you start writing COU, so it comes count. Now suppose we want to find the number of rows for GST column. So GST is E. For all the columns, we simply write E semicolon E again, and that will give you the total number of records, that is 48. And if you want to cross check it, we can cross check it by, see, total number of rows, it is showing 50, and records, if you see, first two are the headings, the 50 minus 2, that is 48. Now, how about suppose we go for column A, that is items. If you see here, this I changed A colon A and give this, so it shows 0. 0 because the GST column had numbers and the items column has characters, so it is not able to do it. And if you want to achieve that, what you can do is just in count, just add A. Means A means characters, so it is showing A as 50. So as you know, total number of rows, you have seen them as 50. Now because this is characters, not numbers, it has considered this and this also as records. So you have to keep them into consideration when it will be total number of rows and when it will be total number of records. So for column A, that is number of items, actually you have 50 minus 2, that is 48 records. I hope it is very clear. And yeah, that's it. So this anytime you need to find the number of records in a table, this is how you find it.